40 horsepower gains in the mid-range right here. So huge gains, nice flat power band, holding 700 wheel horsepower all the way to 8,000 RPM. I think the turbo's maxed out, but really nice power band, really nice gains, really nice setup for 100% unopened VQ35. A pleasure to be testing out the secret shit we've been working on. And honestly, bro, like I couldn't be happier with this. You know, basic turbo kit, basic fuel system, all the shit off the shelf for the most part, just boost control strategy, tuning strategy, really coming together and making power. So no hybrid, no cams, super tough numbers. And made a couple hits back to back, over 700 wheel, made 708 a couple times, then 710 one time. I don't think it'll make more with more boost. It seems like diminishing returns right now, but really good overall numbers for a stock motor. All right, cut that shit off.